Hi Yogesh, good evening. So welcome to All of Fame discussion. And so today let us discuss your experience in this Read for Success and Brain Accelerated Challenge, and what and all you learned during this process, and what is current your experience, and also what is your success. So let us discuss about all these parameters, so that this is one of the rewards and also one of the recognition for the people who really achieved something in this curriculum. And also we're going to inspire other new member people who are going to start this curriculum. This is the inspiration. When they see the success, definitely they will also follow the success, this pattern. So with that, welcome Yogesh for this all of fame. So let us have a quick discussion, and before going to start, I would like to ask you, quickly introduce yourself. What are you doing? What is your background? And then why did you join this course, starting from Read for Success initial 6-day curriculum. Then you started with our 21 days challenge and our club membership. Initially, just give an introduction now.
Okay, I'm Yogesh Suryakan Moye. I am a BE mechanical and a disciple of Sadhguru Sri Bhavu Maharaj, who is an Datta Bhakta and was an IS officer. I have completed my professional in product design and analysis, diploma in project planning and management. I'm an internal auditor, completed my diploma in mechanical engineer SSC from ISS English School. And I'm a proprietor for BV Enterprise. And now I'm also working as a business consultant for Sapphire Industries. We are a family of well-educated engineers and MBAs. So
Wonderful.
this is my background.
Wonderful, Yogesh. Welcome to our All of Fame discussion. So let us quickly go through each and every process, how you achieve certain goal in our program. So let us discuss. First of all, I would like to know, why did you join this program? Why you attracted this Read for Success?
Your advertise in Facebook is really beautiful because you are showing all those books which I definitely want to read. And you said that ki you can read those books. That was the first intention. Secondly, my reading skills and memorization was really good due to my Sadhguru Sri Bhavu Maharaj. But I wanted to know more techniques related to reading skills. I wanted to improve my reading skills, memorization, and my self confidence and self improvement. So this was my real intention behind joining this course.
Okay. So initially, you started this journey, the 6 days morning session, 5:30. Normally, we do Read for Success. And so, what you learned during that 6 days program, and what was the outcome? Have you really enjoyed that 6 days program? So early morning session.
Yes, I really enjoyed that course because first of all, you had the timings of 5 a.m. So it was really beautiful because I used to wake up early, and this was an really commitment from your side. It is not like that it was a recording. It was that you were also waking up at 5 a.m. and you had in that 6 days program brief level of reading skills, sip cafe, memorizing techniques, speed reading skills. So you didn't went in theory. You were very practical in that course, and you were confident that anybody's speed of reading can be improved from whatever level it is to 2 to 3 times. So it was a beautiful process which you explained.
Wonderful, wonderful. I hope you enjoy that process. So after that, you joined our the next level 21 days program and the book club. And tell me about your experience. And before that, let us take step by step. Coming to the speed reading. So initially, before joining, as soon as you joined, what was your speed, reading speed? Then after you started practicing all this concept, and what is your current reading speed? How you improved?
Uh, my previous speed was 400 to 450 words per minute. That words per minute concept was firstly given by you. So 400 to 450 was my initial speed, and as I have said, ki my reading skills were good. But when I completed my this course, my reading speed was above 600 plus words per minute. In one of the assignments which you have given of Kindle, that Kindle gave me the speed of mine after understanding all those things was 926 words per minute.
Wow. Okay.
So And in that way, the speed you can understand, but it can, when I found that there was a little strain on my eyes, so I said that 926 speed is good and I'm able to understand. So you told that it is just like an physical exercise, you have to take a little break. I also implemented that, and now I am reading definitely about 600 plus words per minute.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is you're in already in the zone of reading, because initially you started with 400, because that is a great speed. So reading speed. Then you improved 600, and also if you take a Kindle and different format, you are almost reaching 900. That's the great way to read. So I think you already understood, when you start reading the speed, you can save a lot of time. Beautiful. I would really thank you, because you are putting real effort to practice. Wonderful. Coming to the memorization, because once you start reading, definitely you need to memorize. Tell me your experience about memorization.
Regarding memorization, what I found that by your skills of memory palace, journey method, visualization, peg system, all the systems you have taught, when I practiced, I was surprised to know that I remembered 125 words within 3 minutes and 1 seconds. That was actually one word within 1.5 seconds. So it was really good. That is the thing which I am telling ki I was good at reading skills and memory techniques, but your techniques and with your help, I am definitely more confident, self confident that ki these are proven techniques and what I was doing was good, but your techniques have improved me a lot with a confidence within myself.
Wonderful, wonderful. I think you're putting a real effort, because I think you also realize all the new students and all the people are watching this video. So anything you want to do in your life, first we need to learn concept, then practice, put action point. So when you practice, definitely you can achieve much better. That's thank you so much. And coming to other area, so you learned other concept like mind mapping, you learned other concept like mind dynamics, how to relax, how to learn various brain fitness strategy. So what is your experience in that area?
In mind mapping is the beautiful thing. Basically, I am interested, and as a management person, my domain is management and mechanical engineering. So management requires presentations, meetings, and this mind mapping technique has given me a lot of edge in presenting myself, in remembering the points, in jotting those points, in everything. Mind mapping has helped me very beautifully. Secondly, by reading the books too, I can easily memorize with the help of mind maps. The goal setting targets which you have taught, that is also helping me for the year 2021. And alpha relaxation, which you have taught, is relaxing my mind. And there are various techniques which are you teaching, and I'm taking action. My only thing is to blindly follow you and take consistent actions. If I have any doubts, I again come to those Monday meetings or Wednesday meetings and I clear my doubt. And therefore, I'm improving myself also. So, thanks to you, sir, for every clearing of the doubt, which is improving me in my professional, personal, as well as social field.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Yogesh. And the next point related to book reading, because we have a club. So, what is your opinion? What is your experience in coming to the book reading every week? At least two books we read and we listen from our community member. So, what is your feedback on that?
uh, the persons who are reading these books and giving presentations are a very positive people, are well educated people. The reading presentations which they are giving, they are helping me out. And secondly, if any books which I have not read, they give me brief about that books so that I can understand what is the gist of that book. And if I'm interested or connected or it is related to my domain, I immediately purchase that book or borrow from anybody else, and I read that book and I gain myself with an good knowledge.
Wonderful, wonderful. I think you are taking action in terms of book reading also beautiful. And the next question is, for example, let us take the new member. They're going to join our curriculum. They're going to join our club activity. What is your recommendation? Because you saw all this curriculum, you saw the success rate in terms of reading, memorization, brain fitness. The people just joined our curriculum. They have started this journey. What is your recommendation? What do you recommend? What do you suggest so that they can also follow this strategy and develop that kind of a result immediately?
Uh, my suggestion to all the new peoples are that ki Manjunath sir is definitely putting his own efforts. A team consists of two persons. One is Manjunath sir and second one is ourselves. So considering our team means Manjunath sir and Yogesh Mule, what Manjunath sir has given his 50%. If I want to improve, I have to give my 50%. If I give 0%, the total result will be 50%. If I give my efforts 50%, it will be 100%. So it is a team effort. Manjuna sir is giving his 100%, but as a newly joined person, you have to take actions. You have to blindly follow, because what I have taken, I will suggest you that I blindly followed him. I took consistent actions. Where there were doubts, I attended those Monday meetings, Wednesday meetings, and I cleared my doubts. And if you will join this course, you will be finding, and you will be seeing that key. You will be seeing that key. Your speed, which was previous before, it would be definitely increased to 2 to 3 times. Your interest in reading those books will be developed. Therefore, you will go to the next level in your professional, personal life, and even you will be getting promoted. If you're a student, it will be giving you better results. So you will be benefiting in everything. Also, those memory techniques are very simple. You can understand it. Only thing what he is suggesting, that at the end of the day you have to take actions. And if you will take actions by blindly following him, if you have any doubt, you can clear in the meetings. You will be definitely upgrading yourself, and ultimately you will be benefiting yourself.
Super, super. Thanks for your suggestion to all our new member, people who just joined and they're still thinking whether I need to take action or just like a go with a natural flow. Whatever you said, it is true. Without action, there is no result. Beautiful. And the last question, people who are watching this video, people who have not come across any of this course like Read for Success or 21-day challenge, what is your opinion? What do you recommend them? Why they need to join this course? Any professional, any business owner, why they need to join, and what is your recommendation to entirely new people, outside people, that means they have not come across any of this course? What is your recommendation?
My recommendation related to those people who have not yet seen this process, it is the line which is given by you. All the great leaders or great personalities read minimum to minimum 50 books a year. So if they will join this course, they will be joining the league of great leaders, great personalities. They will be developing the interest of reading books, and when they will read 50 to 100 books per year, they will join the league of great personalities. And who don't want to be a great leader or known as a great leader? So I will definitely recommend that if you want to be in the league of great personalities, you have to join this course. And please, 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 my recommendation is that you follow Manjunath sir. It will be really great benefit to you.
Thank you so much, Yogesh, for all your success story and your recommendation. Last point, what you would like to say in terms of overall curriculum, overall program? So, what is your final word
My
related?
word related to this curriculum is that it is beautiful designed course, and the person Manjunath sir who is teaching you has taught to the memory athletes of international levels. You are gaining a beautiful knowledge at a very, very less cost, and you will be benefiting. I myself am not going to leave Manjunath sir because I want to upgrade myself. I will definitely say that this course is beautifully designed with considering all of you, your timings, everything, everything. You will be in a positive zone, and definitely, as he says, key success stories. He starts with 2 success stories. You will be the part of those success stories.
Super, super. Thank you so much, Yogesh, for sharing your knowledge, sharing your experience. Beautiful. So continue this journey because you already reached so one of the great heights. Now your chance to go extraordinary level. Probably your speed. Maybe you can go above 1,000 or a memorization, and probably you can benchmark the way you are progressing, so that people, our newcomers, new students will follow your path. So that's what I suggest. So thank you so much once again for coming here and sharing. So during this Hall of Fame, thank you so much.